Hello friends. In this video, I'm going to show you something very exciting, and that's called Flipbooks. So remember we talked about catalogs. If you've not really seen the catalog video or understood how catalog work, please make sure you go through that video so that you can understand this video. But once you create a catalog for your business or for your B2B customer, what you can do is you can easily create a PDF flipbook, and I'll show you what a flipbook looks like with that catalog. So let's directly jump in. So basically, if you look at this catalog, and if you want to preview this catalog, let's do that. You can see that we have created this GBO Hair and Honey catalog with 14 products, out of which 2 products are have got 2 variants each. So in total, there are 12 products, and out of which 2 products have got 2 variants each, and those are total products 14. Once we've created this, what we can do is we can generate a flipbook out of it. A flipbook is more like a, I would say, flippable catalog that you create that is very stunning to look at, and users really like it. So this is what a flipbook looks like, and somebody can literally turn the pages as if you're turning a page in a magazine and look at that flipbook. This can be essentially very important and very aesthetically pleasing if you are a business-to-business user while sending these catalogs to a customer of yours. And it can save you hours and hours of time and money. Thank you.